I mean,
counter
Talibon.
steal.
Nice pass to Balabag. Easy shot from Mr. Grabe tong jump shot 3 ni Jason Evangelista kanina, no?
Samtang nga nagabuhat mo sa ayo sa battery.
Yes. Lami kay singgit ato pero saman.
Fans of Talibon all the way from Talibon. Oh, grabe, lagi o kayo unsa nang orasa. Alas 10 mahuman ni mga alas 11 nya biyahe pa para Talibon, layo pa kayo.
Oh, alas 12 mang uli. Not good. Rebound from Tagbilaran. Long pass to Mr. Pagshot. Pagshot. Nice pass. Good from Tagbilaran.
And here it is. Start ng comeback ang Tagbilaran, Brother Adrian.
Yes, 23-34 in favor of Talibon. Mga Igala, 6 minutes and 18 seconds remaining.
Spin move.
Wow. Rebound from Mr. Pagshot.
Nice defense.
Pagshot.
4-on-1 fast break. 4-on-1.
Number 17 to Mr. Balabag. Balabag.
Nabuhian.
Number 16 attempt, not good. Number 16 pa rin, attempt.
Yes.
There you go. Number
Down
16.
to a 9-point lead.
O nag-iingon kung di makuha sa Perbero. Kuha sa ikadua.
Vincent Eronico.
Pero
2 points
nakalusot.
from Eronico.
Pero nakalusot si Eronico.
Matod ni Rizame Ocampo. Laverne. Oh, another nice defense from Talibon. Torion on the drive. Torion. Pasa sa gilid. Number 10. Attempt, not good. Rebound, Mr. Pagshot, number 1. Pagshot, nagmamadali, Mr. Pagshot. 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 Oh, there's a foul there. Game is brought to you by the Provincial Government of Bohol.
Bugahod for
Number
3.
28 for 3. Not good. Rebound from Mr. Balabag. Balabag, attempt. Oh!
Jason Balabag.
2 points,
And
Mr.
again, Brother
Balabag.
Adrian, muna na akong giingon nga unsay need sa Tagbilaran mo, puntos gyud si Balabag aron makakambak sila ni.
Tinod. Balabag is only big man in Tagbilaran.
5 points na si Balabag karon.
Birong versus Balabag. Birong jump shot, not good. Rebound from Tagbilaran.
Pass po na
From
pass.
Mr. Number
Touchdown.
1. Pagshot. Oh. Pagshot pa rin ang bulap.
What a
Nice
pass. What
Sa
a
gilid.
fake.
Number 16. Oh, nice
Sayang.
defense. Ortega. Oh my goodness. It's a loose ball. Ball position of Tagbilaran City. 4 minutes and 39 seconds remaining.
Substitution. Alvarez for Ortega.
Full charge na battery ni Brother Mon. O napulihan na.
Napulihan na.
Ingon si Chris
Ako si
Romuga.
kining karong taon-taon, Brother Mon.
Malubat na ba na?
Malubat na po ni. Text lang mo mga viewers ha. Kung Igala, salamat sa inyong suporta. Dire sa Facebook page ni Governor Aris Cimentado and Provincial
Still a
Government
9-point
of
lead.
Bohol. 9-point lead.
For
Talibon.
Ooh,
Nice defense
steal.
from Tagbilaran. I mean,
Counter
Talibon.
steal.
Nice pass to Balabag. Easy shot from Mr.
Jason
Balabag.
Balabag.
And here comes Tagbilaran, Brother Adrian. 7 points in the second quarter by Jason Balabag.
Ayan, hinay-hinay na kabante.
Hinay na. Ganina 14-point lead karon. 7 na lang.
Tinod.
Hinay-hinay nakapas ang
10
Tagbilaran.
seconds shot clock.
Torion to Mr. Biro.
What a
Nice
pass.
pass.
Sayang, turnover.
Wow! Sayang ang pasa.
Substitution. Pagobo for Torion. 4 minutes.
Dili ni sa Unitab, gipalit ang battery sa SM Cebu. Pagshot. Pagshot. Pagshot, nakawala sa depensa. Galing!
Nicky Pagshot.
Yan, shoutout kay ni Rhea Joy Bunyel. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Tagbilaran jump shot again, in and out. Rebound Mr. Evangelista.
Only a 5-point lead, Brother Adrian. Uy, sayang. Wag ipasa ni Eronico.
But
Si
there's
Birong,
a
si
foul.
Birong libre sa kilid niya. Wag niya ipasa. Gira gyapon niya.
Sayang.
First personal foul, Bugaho. 2 team fouls, Tagbilaran.
Matod ni Rizame. Oh, I mean, si Kuya Lawrence. Pasudla na si Broley o Clarkson.
Gilas, Pilipinas, Kuya Lawrence.
Gilas Pilipinas puso. Nakagold sa Asian Game.
Gold medal. Congrats, Gilas,
Congrats,
Pilipinas.
Ayan, 8.1 thousand live viewers. Salamat mga igala. Connect.
And this is
3
now
minutes and 25 seconds remaining. 31-37. Wow. Nina-ina, nagapas ang Tagbilaran.
down to 6-point lead, Brother Adriano. Ganina 14-point lead.
Oh.
Very physical game na.
Jersey number 9, Pagubo.
Dikit po musugot ang Tagbilaran ng mga pildi si Adriano, Brother Adriano, kay ilag yung home court. So they need to capitalize and that.
By night, Mr. Leonard. Nako ni Mr. Pagshot number 1.
Nakalugar si Balabag.
Balabag, turn around.
Wow, sayang. Nakalugar na unta to siya.
Traveling violation.
Nasobraan og steps ni Mr. Alvarez, no, Brother Adrian. Karon ang nawana po itong mic ni Brother Adriano, nagpulis kay battery karon. Laban lang, brother. Ang sa ikaingon nimo.
Laban. Pilipinas.
2 minutes and 45 seconds left. 6-point lead gihapon ang Talibon. Samtang karon si Brother Adrian nagpuli og battery. Long three. Wala. Uy. Naagaw sa rebound and the easy
Giancarlo
two
Pino
by Berong. Sayang na tong sky high rebound ni Engito. Nya kay na steal man ni Pagobo. Pag shot blows by floater.
Nicky Pagshot.
Too easy for Nicky Pagshot. So
Okay, I'm back, Brother Mon.
Brother Adrian is back.
2 minutes remaining for the second
15
quarter.
second shot clock.
33-39 mga igala.
2
Evangelista
minutes.
dribbling the ball, Mr. Evangelista. Evangelista on the drive. What a shot!
Jason
Bro!
Evangelista.
Star player of Talibon, Brother Adrian.
Grabe,
Jason
ginamit ang bilis ni
Evangelista.
Mr. Evangelista, Brother Mon. Mo na gingon og magyaya ka, mabiyaan jud ka.
Okay.
Mo na kay mo magyaya sa inyong mga hinigog ba kay biyaan mo, impas ang bahaw. Pag shot, jump shot, block. There's a
Wow.
foul from Mr. Pagubo.
Shout out for Kandihay, ingon si B-Boy Inojales.
Si Risa May Ocampo, nakarelate. Uy. 1 minute and 39 seconds remaining, 34-41.
7-point lead for
7-point lead
Talibon.
for Talibon. Uy, nayan ni pop up. Kyle Arado, shout out. Ayan, na-timingan. Nako na
Nice
Mr.
pass,
Oh,
what a
nice
pass!
oh.
Ooh!
Holy ka, Balbon by Mr. Balabag. Ingon ba ni Mr. Balabag ang Alvarez? Not in my home.
True, not in my home court.
13 second shot clock.
Too big, too strong. Jason Balabag.
Matod ni Marta Cecilia, sir, dagana pa yung hugot. Yung ginuka na ko.
Uy, foul.
Uy, nga naman to. Ay,
Ka na gino.
tingdong ka na.
Murag need yun ng mga
Ayan.
pick-up lines ba?
Yes. 34-41 in favor of Talibon Jabon. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Connect, first drop, Mr. Balabag.
So shout out from Quezon City. Ingon si Raquel Vallespin.
Leandra Somalinog, shout out from San Francisco, California.
2 free throws for Balabag. Connected. So 5-point lead na lang for Talibon.
Kinahali na ng tubig dire kay Water is
15
live.
second shot clock.
Evangelista dribbling. Guarded by Mr.
10 seconds to shoot.
Evangelista wants the pick.
Oh,
Steal, what a
nice
steal.
defense from Tagbilaran. Intercepted by
Counter
Mr.
steal.
Alvarez. Alvarez. Nice
Open.
pass sa gilid. Evangelista for 3.
Evangelista for
3 points from Evangelista.
55 seconds.
Jason Evangelista, the dead shot. Hot shot of Talibon.
15 seconds.
Grabe ka shooter.
Pag shot. Number
10
17 jump
seconds to
shot.
shoot.
Connect from number 17.
Manjo and Quito.
What
40
an
seconds
answer
remaining.
by Engito, Brother Adrian.
Yes.
35 seconds.
35 seconds remaining. Evangelista dribbling the ball.
30 seconds.
Evangelista to
That's
Wrong with the low post.
number 23 Pirong. It's a loose ball. Nice defense from Mr. Balabag.
And again, Brother Adriano, sa akong game kanina, Tagbilaran needs to step up for Balabag. So kung maapas mga ni sila si Balabag yun. So karon nagmakita both offense and defense,
Tinod, 19
Balabag
seconds
is
remaining.
the star.
17, nice turnaround shot. Not good. Rebound from Mr. number
10
17
seconds.
to number 28.
Bugaw
Nice pick.
drives.
28, nice pass. At 10 for 2,
Wow!
Tagbilaran.
5
5
seconds.
seconds remaining.
What a play.
3,
What a play for
2,
Tagbilaran.
1. Time for the second quarter.